Hey, you see that spider over there? I'd make you eat that.
I'd grab it and put it in your mouth.
That spider's
I'd
huge.
make you eat that.
I'd throw you on the ground, hold you down, and have you put it in your mouth. And I would.
Yo,
punch
it's
you in
making the
face
web.
And then we'd get you.
Oh, look how close that
You
is.
wouldn't even get it.
Look how close that is.
Keep going.
That shit's freaking huge.
I want to make it move though.
That thing's huge.
Shit. Like my dick.
Really, nigga?
Wait, what is it? How is it making the web?
Try to blow it so it moves. Do I'm gonna go get another stick and see if it can move.
Yeah.
Matt, really? Matt.
No, hold up, hold up, hold up, hold up.
I'm gonna do it now.
No, hold up. Don't do it. Don't do it.
Wait.
Fuck, I'm trying to hold this. Steady. Focus. Focus.
Okay.
Really?
So it focuses. Go closer. Go closer. Yeah. No, I have to meet my mom in front of her. Alright, let me try to tap it.
Hold up. Hold up, hold up. Hold up. Hold it still. What
Alright,
are
ready?
those?
Oh, that's so weird.
She's like, oh my.
Oh my god, that's so weird. Oh god.
Yo, stop.
You're so You're so weird. I should leave at the kitchen.
Yeah, bitch. Yeah, I fucking dunked on your mom's asshole.
Is that thunder?
No, that's